Hey everyone, welcome back to Hurricane Web. In this video, we are going to build a powerful React.js Boilerplate setup designed for speed, scalability, and modern best practice. We will compare the traditional React installation with the blazing fast Vite installation. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, we should know what is Vite. Vite is a modern front-end build tool and development server that makes web development faster and more efficient, especially for frameworks like React, Vue, ESLint, and more. So we can create React project with CRA command, which is npx create react app space my app, and with Byte we can create a React project with this command, which is npm create byte at latest. By the way, there are other ways to set up a React project too. If you are curious to learn more, just head over to the official React website at React.dev. So let's search react.dev, and if you click on learn React, you will find well-structured documentation that goes deep into defined setup, tools, and React concepts. If we click on installation, here we can get more examples and then create a React app. Here we can create React app some more other ways like a Snack.js and React Router v7 and so on. So now we will compare the benchmark test for project initialization. So here these are the criteria we will compare between our CRA and byte command. So here we can see init command CRA is npx create react app my app, and byte is npm create byte at latest. And then setup time CRA took 50 to 60 seconds and Byte took only 5 to 10 seconds. So of course Byte is faster. Tab server start time, CR is slower and Byte is instantly loads. For hot reload performance, CRA is laggy on large code bases and Byte is very fast. Build output size, CRA is larger and Byte is optimized and smaller. So we can build a React starter project in a fastest way with Byte. So let's copy this command and paste it here and hit enter. And then we need to give our project name. So I'm giving it as React starter. You guys can give your preferable app name. Hit enter. Let's make my terminal a little bit bigger. So here we can see so many framework we can work with Byte. So from here I will select React, and then we can work with TypeScript, JavaScript. So here I am choosing JavaScript and hit enter. So our project almost done. We need to go to our project file inside. So we need to type cd react starter and hit enter, and then we need to type npm install and hit enter. And after installation process complete, we will run npm run dev for run our project. So let's resize our terminal. So we can see that all the packages installed. So if we go inside our project, here you can see we have source folder, and inside source folder we have the layout of our project. Let's run our project with npm run dev. So hold the control button and click on this link. So here we can see our Byte React project started. We can see our counter also work. Let's clear our default React project design. So if you go to our app.jsx, click on Control All and then clear. So here type RFC and hit enter. And also let's clear all the default CSS. So here Control All and click on backspace and save it. And from our index.css also same, Control All, backspace and save it. So right now in our app.jsx has only a text app, and here we can see only that text. If we type anything else like welcome to Hurricane Web and save it, so here we can see that our text is working. So if I give a class like as main, and then in our app.css if we want to give a style, let's say text align center, and save it. We also need to import our app.css, so we need to type import dot slash app.css and save it. Now if we see, our text is in center by text align center. So that's all for today. I hope you guys like the video. If you guys like the video, please like, share and subscribe. And if you guys have any query, you guys can comment in the comment box. I will try to reply as soon as possible. Thank you everyone.